Are you looking for the best replacement shocks for Ford Ranger? In this video, we will break down the top 4 replacement shocks for Ford Ranger. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Beltec 8000 Ford Ranger Shocks. This Beltec 8000 shock suits Ford Ranger cars and has optimal performance. The cavitation-free valve train present inside these shocks helps make sure that air does not reduce the effectiveness of the absorbers. The effective dust boot also ensures that the shocks remain clear at all times and won't be affected by grime and dirt. These shocks are designed for fitting inside the Ford Ranger and come with excellent internal and external construction. At number 2, Monro-Matic 2237 Monro-Matic Plus Shock Absorber. The Monro-Matic 2237 Monro-Matic Plus Shock Absorber is durable and capable of high-end performances. This model has a larger piston diameter than most replacement shocks for Ford Ranger, which increases its cooling capabilities. This makes the Monro-Matic Plus Shock Absorber a great option for truck owners that drive their vehicles through terrains that put a lot of stress on the suspension system. Moreover, the improved cooling potential also increases the shock's durability as the heat inflicts less damage to the shock. The Monro's replacement shock for Ford Ranger is equipped with an all-weather fluid that allows the shock to absorb vibrations equally effectively regardless of the weather conditions. The fluid also reduces the friction of the nitro-carburized piston rod and enables it to move smoothly. This shock absorber is only aimed at Ford Ranger owners that use their pickup trucks for off-road driving, and they don't offer a significant upgrade from the vehicle's OEM shocks unless they are used on rough terrain. At number 3, Gabriel Rear Load Carrier. The Gabriel 43167 Rear Load Carrier is a safe and durable way not only to transport your items but also to keep them from shifting no matter how much weight you have in the vehicle. You can still travel without worrying about your precious cargo going anywhere during transit, thanks to its built-in extending wheels at each corner. All drivers want is a safe, comfortable ride, and this shock will just do that. The constant rate front coil springs combine with technology in the damper and spring to help make your car as stable on bumpy roads or during sudden turns without sacrificing comfort for stability as some other brands can sometimes do. This air suspension kit is a great option for those looking to add some extra weight. The shocks provide 500 pounds of load carrying capacity, which means you can fit up to 1 ton on an empty vehicle without worrying about damaging it. This heavy-duty shock works well for those who need a little extra support on their vehicle and won't break the bank doing so too. The shocks in your vehicles are both spring and compression, so you combine them for the ultimate ride quality. At number 4, Detroit Axle Strut is assembly replacement for Ford. If you're looking for a top replacement shock absorber for your Ford Ranger, then Detroit Axle is a good choice. It has a good reputation for manufacturing high-quality products that last for a long time. They are made of premium-grade steel that is loaded into the struts for a high level of performance. The steel struts are fully engineered for better wear resistance and long-lasting performance. Detroit Axle is a leading supplier of ride control products to OE vehicle manufacturers nationwide. They have engineered a line of superior performance shock absorbers and struts that are engineered and designed to provide years of dependable service and optimal performance to its customers. With these CV axles, you can replace your stock shocks with a set of high-quality performance shocks to make your Ford ride smoother and more stable. It comes with a 10-year warranty that covers all types of faults in the product. Overall, these are a great set of replacement shocks for the price. These shocks provide enough support and stability to your Ford Ranger and will give you a great driving experience.